Have you put your plans to sell on hold because you have a great mortgage rate on your current house? Or maybe you just don't know where you'll go if you move. A lot of people are thinking that way right now, and here's why I want you to look at today's market a little differently. According to Mark Fleming, chief economist at First American, two dynamics are keeping existing home inventory historically low. Rate locked existing homeowners and the fear of not finding something to buy. Does that sound familiar? Well, here's my advice. If you're feeling that way too, a lot of people are going to jump back into the market when interest rates come back down, and there just aren't enough homes to go around when it happens. So if you're ready, making your move now gives you more choices, less competition from other buyers, and you have the opportunity to leverage the equity you've gained all at the same time. If you've been holding off on selling, let's chat. I'm here to answer your biggest questions and simplify the confusion that's out there. We can work together to figure out exactly what you need and the best timing to make your move happen.